Okay, ma, I will check your test results. Okay, doctor. Okay. Ma, do you have hypertension? Shall I hypertension? Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. God forbid. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́. Okay. But ṣé ní BP? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, mo ní BP. Ṣé ní diabetes? God forbid. I just it in the mighty name of Jesus. Okay. But ṣé ní sugar? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, mo ní sugar.
In the medical school, you will learn a lot of big words, terminologies, and vocabularies. But it will shock you that when you are attending to a patient, that patient don't understand those big words. You would have to break down the big words or those vocabularies for the patient to understand. And sometimes it can be very, very stressful. Imagine you letting a patient to do some investigations and the results will come. To you, the doctor, you understand the results. But now the problem comes explaining or breaking down those results to the best understanding of the patient. There is some of the patient that they might have language barrier. For instance, you the doctor might be very good at P. You might get a patient who is good at Fanti or Hausa or a different dialect, and finding difficult trying to explain it to the best understanding of such a patient. Imagine you asking a patient, do you have hypertension? He said, no, I don't have hypertension. But what about BP? He said, yes, oh, I have BP. Then also asking the patient, do you have diabetes? He said, no, I don't have diabetes. What about sugar? He said, yes. So sometimes you have to understand or get to know the understanding of the patient. Then you go according to the understanding of the patient in order to get certain kind of investigation or certain kind of information from the patient. You understand? So we go through these things and it's part of our work. So anyways, we have to take it like that. We have to find ways and means in order to break things down for our patient to understand. And it is part of our duty. Because sometimes when you attend to a patient, you have to let the patient know his or her medical condition, why you are giving that patient a particular medication, or why you are letting the patient do some investigations. You have to break it down to the best understanding of the patient. It is what it is. Like this video, then share this video to many people. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.
If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.